Welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for April 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. To hear more monthly updates and oracle readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Hotels. I have 4 cards laid out here, which will highlight the messages for April. First card is past influences affecting this month. Second card is the main theme for April. Third card is highlighting roadblocks that you may face during this month. Fourth card is possibilities and opportunities coming your way. I will also be taking out one more guidance card from this deck over here. So let's see what messages these cards have for you. With 2 of Wands here, seems like there was a decision to be made on whether to stay or to move on and go in search of new experiences. Seems like some of you have left your comfort zone, especially with someone or some place that you know very well. This event has a long-lasting impact, but in a positive way. Look at the past for inspiration and look to the future with some goals and not with worries. In a relationship, some of you may have been in a one-sided relationship, or you may be feeling withdrawn, or probably in a remote relationship. That could be a long-distance relationship as well. You may have decided to move on. For some, there could have been a change of location, a change wherein you had to leave your friends and family behind. The decision would have been really sudden. Let's move to what is the main theme for this month. We have 5 of Swords here, so there's definitely a change coming in. A change you would be forced to accept. There could have been some past challenges that you're facing, which could now be impacting you in a serious way. You may be stuck in a situation which is highly hostile against you. Defeat is almost guaranteed because you're up against someone who is much stronger than you, who is better equipped in strategy and tactics. You may be involved in a no-win situation. It's best to cut your losses now and walk away, back out and surrender. You seem to have wasted enough energy and time already. So find a new direction and start afresh. Get rid of unhealthy environment and toxic people. This card also advises you to be cautious of any kind of theft, mugging or attack, especially since you have a 3 of Pentacles in roadblocks. The coins in this card represents money. 5 of Swords also signifies that you need to overcome your inner demon and negative mindset. You would need to stay positive to move forward. If you're in a relationship, I would not limit this reading though to just marriage or people who are in a love relationship. This could even mean a relationship between friends or your equation with your family. I see there are a lot of disagreements and dreadful rows. If you're married, there is separation and divorce coming in. Parting away is inevitable. It's gone beyond petty arguments and the relationship has turned out seriously sour. Some of you may be stuck in a humiliating relationship. It could mean a power-up game coming from both the sides. And dignity of the relationship is pretty much dead. With 3 of Pentacles, it seems there is also a monetary conflict cropping up. I also see a third person intervening in your relationship. There is a malicious gossip around you, making matters even worse. In regards to career, there is a conflict in the workplace. There could be arguments and tensions around you. I also see personality clashes and the environment becoming extremely bitter and intimidating for you. The door for now may be closed for discussion. If you are trying to reach a midpoint to resolve things, the other side is not interested to have any discussion or is not even ready to compromise. So you may feel that you're talking to a wall. Some of you may decide to leave the job as the environment around you seem to be extremely hostile and toxic. Let's move to the next card. We have 3 of Pentacles in the roadblock position. With 3 of Pentacles in this position, people are against you. People are not speaking well about you. This could be at your personal front or even at workplace. Some of you may be feeling the heat of office politics and managers gossip around them. Some of you may be feeling isolated and intimidated. After a promising start, the workplace seems to be a serious letdown. Since we already have a Five of Swords here, some of you may also feel unsupported by your peers or your boss or the senior management. Some of you may be feeling pretty uninspired and not able to work with full vigor. You are being impatient and you may even lack concentration at this point of time. So you're not really able to do the justice to your work. With Three of Pentacles in roadblocks, it also indicates that there is an inability to learn from past mistakes, and thereby this trend or cycle keeps on repeating. If you're in a relationship, yet again you seem to have lost interest and you are not making any effort. There is a lack of commitment and growth within the relationship. For some, this could not be happening for the first time, and this could have been pretty much the pattern in your relationship. Some of you may feel they are in a meaningless relationship and would continue to drift away. Let's move to the next card. In the position of possibilities, we have High Priestess here. High Priestess symbolizes consciousness. High Priestess is guiding you to seek for answers within yourself. So be honest with yourself and evaluate the situation post self-reflection. You know what to do and you have solutions for the problem. As coming from the previous cards over here, there are some big decisions to be made. High Priestess is yet again highlighting that things may not be as they seem. So be careful not to take the situation at face value. So listen to your intuition and read between the lines as you face the challenges. Trust your heart and move forward with patience and calm. Some secrets or hidden information will soon be revealed to you. This information is going to be beneficial for you, so be patient and trust that the universe will be helping you out behind the scenes. If you are involved in some kind of spiritual practice, occult science, expect your abilities to be heightened at this time. Stay attuned to your higher self and let your intuition guide you. I would take out one more card for guidance. We have Wise Leader. What a culmination card. I think it just sums up so well. With Five of Swords here, you seem to be stuck in an ugly scene and humiliating situation. This card tells you to step out of the ugly scene and look back on how you would have conducted yourself. Think logically and objectively because you seem to be really high on emotions right now. And it's not even resolving your problem. So whatever the outcome is, you need to be a bigger person and get out of petty politics. With High Priestess here, dive into your subconscious and reflect. As Sagittarian is a self-aware zodiac, you have the answers. Follow your wisdom and instincts. Your intentions and the example that you're going to set in would be more powerful than you know. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're able to resonate with the reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more updates. Keep watching. Much love.